Hello, today we are going to review everything that we have learned this week about gardening, about things that we can plant, the tools that we use when we're planting, and also foods that are good for our teeth. Now we can talk about stuff that we plant. We can plant trees, grass, flowers, bushes, fruits. How many of you love to eat fruit? I do. I guess you could say my favorite fruits are bananas and grapes. Vegetables. And herbs. Do you know what an herb is? Herbs are seasonings that we put in food when we're cooking. There's also some herbs that you can put in tea called chamomile. There's different kind of herbs. There's fennel, dill, thyme, lavender, oregano, which oregano we use in Italian dishes like spaghetti or something like that. Basil, parsley, chives, mint, tarragon, and that's just a few of the herbs. There's a lot more. Now, let's talk about some of the tools that we can use for gardening. Well, there's the shovel, and I know many of you, if not all of you, know what to do with a shovel and what it's for. It's for digging holes in the ground, right? And then there's the spade. A spade is just a small shovel. It's got a flatter blade. The end part of it, the blade part, is flatter. Well, you need to have gloves, gardening gloves. They are to keep your hands safe from getting blisters and from getting stickers and ants on your hands. Let's see. There's a hand trowel, which is kind of like a shovel, but it's smaller. It's a smaller version. It's called a hand trowel. A garden rake. A garden rake pulls the soil and makes it softer, so it'd be easier to plant your seeds in the ground. You need a wheelbarrow. Does anybody know remember what a wheelbarrow is? A wheelbarrow is a little transportation tool that you can use to carry your other tools in, and also to carry stuff like weeds. If you're pulling weeds out of your garden, you can just put them in the wheelbarrow and then take them to wherever you need to put them. Okay, let's see. And then there's the water hose. You need to water your garden, and the easiest way to do that is with the water hose. And let's see. How about garden scissors? Garden scissors. Garden scissors, they are for opening seed packets if you can't tear them open for whatever reason, like maybe if you're wearing your gloves and you don't want to take your gloves off, you can use the garden scissors to open the packets. And it's also for pruning small flowers. And that is all of the garden stuff that I want to talk about. And now I want review some of the foods that are good for our teeth. Now, cheese. Cheese is, I'm sorry. That's not how you spell cheese. Cheese starts with a C, then an H. E-E-S-E. Cheese has got calcium and protein and nutrients that strengthens your teeth enamel. And remember I said enamel is your this light on your teeth, and you want to keep it strong so that your teeth doesn't get to hurting and doesn't get cavities. Apples. Apples are high in fiber and water, and the water in apples will help clean your teeth, get all the bacteria off your teeth, all the sugars off your teeth, so that your teeth can stay good and strong. We've got lettuce or spinach. And they are both loaded with fiber, which is good for your teeth. Then we've got yogurt. And yogurt has the good bacteria that fights off the bad bacteria that are on your teeth. And carrots. Carrots, they are full of fiber. They are crunchy, and eating a carrot acts as a natural toothbrush because that crunchiness, it will actually clean your teeth. Salmon is a fish, and salmon is packed full of both vitamin D and calcium, making it an all-around superfood for helping maintain healthy teeth and gums. It has phosphorus, which helps play a role in keeping teeth healthy and strong. Your gums are the pink up here above your teeth that helps hold your teeth in your mouth. And we need to keep those healthy, because if we don't keep them healthy, then they won't be able to hold your teeth in your mouth and your teeth will fall out. Well, I hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll talk with you later. Goodbye.